Need an update to your home decor? Chalk Couture is here for you. Follow along as we go out with the old and in with the new. It's easy to freshen up your reusable surfaces. To clear off past projects, you just use our board eraser, fine mist sprayer, paste scraper, and some paper towels. Spray a light layer of water and grab a paste scraper and board eraser to remove any remnants of past projects. Not only do we offer a wide variety of Chalkology paste colors, we also have loads of gorgeous chalk transfer designs. This project uses the Every Dream Watts of Love transfer and Chalkology paste in bright white, peachy keen, and shimmer gold. Start by removing the transfer backer sheet from your mesh silkscreen design. You'll place the transfer onto a fuzzing cloth. The microfiber cloth helps gentle the adhesive by adding a little bit of lint to the sticky side of the transfer. Place the design wherever you'd like on your surface. Now add some color. Here we're using a mini squeegee. You'll use a squeegee to scoop the paste, spread it onto your surface, and scrape away any excess. You can use one color or multiple colors. Cleaning is simple when using a water bath, but be sure not to leave your transfer soaking in water. Wash both sides thoroughly using a board eraser to remove all the paste from the screen. Once clean, you can use our quick dry tool or simply air dry the transfer with the sticky side up. Then reapply the backer sheet. With proper care, these transfers can be used again and again. There you have it. Creating is made easy with Chalk Couture.